everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I'm Rebecca and here I make motherhood and lifestyle videos. Anything from baby related, toddler related, day in the life, how to entertain your toddler, cooking, cleaning. Hopefully you can find something here that you enjoy. And today I am so excited to show you my DIY Dollar Tree Christmas decor that I made. Also, before I go on, 7 other YouTube mamas and I are teaming up to do a $200 Target giveaway. Yes, you heard that right. The details and the instructions are on my Instagram at rebecca.eisfelder. Also, check out this post to see all the instructions on how to enter, and hopefully one of you guys is the lucky winner. And whoever wins will receive this money before Black Friday. We are so excited to bless somebody this Christmas, and we just want to say thank you so much for subscribing and watching our content. We appreciate you guys so much. Also, all the mamas that I am partnering up with to do this giveaway, I will link their channels down below, so definitely check out their channels after you watch this one. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. So for the lantern, you first just need 4 picture frames from the Dollar Tree, and I took the backing out, the glass, everything, including those little black things that keep the picture in the frame. And then once I did all of that, I glued the frames together. Now this idea I cannot take the credit for. I actually got this idea to do a lantern from the Dollar Tree from, I think her YouTube channel is Bargain Brittany, and she has such great ideas, so I decided to replicate it and I just kind of made it my own. Also, I totally forgot to mention that I'm going to be doing a clean and decorate with me for Christmas, so stay tuned for that. That should be up next week. Next, I took 2 pieces of glass from inside the frame and glued one on top, and then I glued the other one on like so. It's hard to describe, but I show you here. Next, I took white and red holly from the Dollar Tree and glued that on along with some green leaves to fill in the gaps. I also had these tiny pine cone ornaments from Walmart that are pretty cheap, so I glued those on just to kind of fill in some spaces. Dollar Tree also has little pine cones, but I saw them at Walmart before I had gone to Dollar Tree, so I ended up getting those at Walmart. Next, I took some green garland from the Dollar Tree and then twisted it into a circle, and I also had spray painted some white spray paint on top just to kind of make it look a little bit flocked. I glued some red holly to that. Now these little tea lights are not from Dollar Tree, these are from Walmart. I got 6 in a pack, and so I ended up using one of those for the lantern. And this is actually an ornament from Walmart that I put the tea light in. But if you wanted to get everything from the Dollar Tree, they do have some fake candles that you can use. And I was planning on doing just that, but when I saw this at Walmart, I decided to pick it up. And there you have it, a beautiful Christmas lantern. I love this so much, and I use it as a centerpiece for my table. Next, I'm gonna make a little farmhouse Christmas tree. So all you need are one of these little Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree, some little pine cones, and little bulb ornaments, but I actually did not use these for this craft. I ended up using them for something else, but you can definitely use them for the Christmas tree, and also some green garland and some holly. So first I put the tree on its stand and fluffed the tree, and then I added some of this wired garland just to make the tree look a little bit fuller, and I cut each garland in half and just used half of it on each little level of the tree just to make it look thicker. And then I glued on these little pine cones, which again, these are from Walmart, but you can definitely get these from Dollar Tree too. Then I took some white spray paint, just the cheapest spray paint that I could find at Walmart, and gave the tree a little bit of a flocked look. I sprayed from above, like as if the snow was falling onto the tree to give it a more natural flocked look. Next, I attached some ribbon to the tree. Now this red and black ribbon is from Walmart, but you can definitely get some ribbon at Dollar Tree, but I just didn't see the red and black at Dollar Tree, and I thought this was really cute. This is the point where you can add some bulbs if you would like to, but then I decided not to. I ended up just gluing some red holly from the Dollar Tree onto this tree and called it a day. Now I'm going to show you how I made this bland garland into something really beautiful. Now this garland is actually from Walmart and it came with lights already attached. You could definitely use Dollar Tree garland, but you would have to get multiple strands of garland if you want to put around a window this big, and then just add some lights to it. But first I'm just gluing on some red holly. I just love this red holly from Dollar Tree. I definitely stock up on this stuff. And next I looped this little ribbon around the garland, and then I glued on these snowflakes that come from the Dollar Tree, and there you have it. It is not a bland garland anymore. It is just beautiful. Now I put this garland around the window to test to see if it was big enough and where I wanted to place things, but I was too lazy to take the garland back down from the window, so I decided to glue everything and put everything on the garland while it was hanging up, but you can definitely take it back down. My husband said I was like a ninja. Next, I am using Garland from the Dollar Tree, and I am gluing on these snowflakes. And I know, you're probably thinking, what are you doing hot gluing on the floor? Don't worry, I didn't make that big of a mess. And then of course, I added some red holly. This is the entryway shelf, and so I decided to put it on that little shelf. And then I decided to take these mini bulbs and hook them to the garland as well. And then I took this little gingerbread lady and put that on the shelf too. This is from Hobby Lobby. As I decorated, I kept in mind Ellie, and so I wanted to do things around the house that she would enjoy, and she loves this little gingerbread lady. And last but not least, I have these little containers on the wall that I put florals in, and so I just got a variety of florals from the Dollar Tree. They had beautiful ones for Christmas. And then I put them together to make a really beautiful Christmassy floral arrangement. Hobby Lobby had these little candy cane picks, so I bought 2 of them and used them in the little floral arrangement as well, just to give it a little extra. These look stunning, but do not cost much at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gave you some ideas, and also do not forget to check out my Instagram and find out how to enter to win that $200 to Target. Love you guys, bye-bye.